This is Dr. Daniel Paul, orthopedic surgeon with Easy Orthopedics, and today I'm going to talk about how you can tell if your hip is dislocated. Now I'm just going to say, if you're sitting at home watching this video, your hip is very likely not dislocated. So if you don't have a hip replacement and you dislocate your hip, it is extremely painful. Not only that, you can't walk around. Normally this only happens after someone gets in a car accident and it kind of pushes on the knee, and your hip will pop out of the socket, and sometimes it also breaks the socket part as well of your hip. And usually when people have hip dislocations, they are doing terrible, excruciating pain, going right to the emergency room. And that is one of the few orthopedic emergencies. So if your hip was dislocated, you need to get that back in place as soon as possible. Otherwise the hip can end up dying. But by and large, you will know if your hip is dislocated. Now, if you have a hip replacement, it's a little bit different. Maybe doesn't hurt as bad. There's no risk of the hip dying. But same sort of thing, if it's out, you're not able to walk on it, you'll be lying on the ground and have to go to the emergency room. There's two ways it can basically pop out, two common ways. The most common way is it pops out the back, and when that happens, your leg will kind of come into the center and your leg might be a little bit shorter. The less common way is it can kind of pop out the front and your leg will be kind of all like open and off to the side. But by far and away, when the hip pops out, it goes out the back. There's some other weirder hip dislocations that I'm not going to talk about because they're so uncommon. So the short of it is, if you think you dislocated your hip and you're relatively comfortable, you didn't. Now, it's possible your hip may be clicking or popping. And there's two different things that'll cause that. There's a tendon that runs over the front called the iliopsoas tendon, which helps you lift your leg up. And sometimes that'll snap over the front of your hip. And also there's something on the side of your hip called the IT band that in some people could start snapping. So those are more snapping hips, not really dislocating hips. And again, the hip isn't one of those joints where it kind of can pop in and out like the shoulder sometimes can. In some people, it is solidly in there. So again, if you're asking whether or not you have hip dislocation, the answer is you probably don't, unless you're involved in a bad trauma and you're in excruciating pain. So I hope I was able to answer your questions about how to tell if you dislocated a hip. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to respond. If you like this video, we put out new content every Friday, so please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.